Right, the Joint Secretary of the Education Ministry, Mr. Govind Jaiswal, taking some pertinent questions from the press. All of this viewers coming at the back of the UGC NET test, the National Eligibility Test, now compromised as admitted by the Education Ministry. A CBI probe has been ordered, but this will, kid you not, have huge ramification on the current NEET controversy that has been raging and put the spotlight, and a very unfavorable one, once again on the National Testing Agency of the country. The Education Ministry holding a press conference saying the examination of NET, the National Eligibility Test that took place 2 days ago, was compromised. He hasn't given out details. He says that this will be in the ambit of investigation for the CBI, but they can confirm the test was compromised. Therefore, due to another paper leak, the test now stands cancelled. He does say that a new date for the UGC NET, which is the National Eligibility Test, will be given out soon. To give our viewers a little perspective, the UGC NET is conducted twice a year and primarily looks at determining the eligibility for the position of assistant professors across Indian universities and even PhD scholars. Let's quickly once again listen in to what the Education Ministry had to say in this particular paper leak.
Nobody has complained. The agency itself taken action. That I4C itself has taken action and caught those kind of that input, and they shared with us. That's why we have taken action. अभी मैटर investigating agency को दिया गया है. At this level, if we disclose any detailing, it may compromise the investigation. इनपुट यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन को मिले थे I4C के द्वारा, जो कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम वेयर के अंदर काम करता है. वो इनपुट टेक्निकल नेचर के थे और प्राइमा फेसी ये अपीयर हुआ था कि एग्जाम इट माइट हैव कॉम्प्रोमाइज. अभी तक किसी डायरेक्ट लेवल की बात नहीं हुई थी, एंड ये प्रोगेटिव इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी का है कि दे इंक्वायर द मैटर and check and possible collision at any level. We are again saying collision at any level. If found, we are very much ready to take action against anyone. But ये matter अभी CBI को गया है. We should wait for their report.